So I really hate my phone because I was recording a video and it turned off. So I'm going to try to make this a little quick because I don't want my phone to turn off again. Like I said, this is a teeth video. I have a permanent upper, and I noticed the other day that when I was eating my protein bar that I had some rocking going on. I glue my upper in. There should be no rocking. So I'm not sure what they're going to do about this. I go Monday to the dentist to see what needs to be done. I don't know if my upper has shrunk. It did not fit super tight to begin with. I will tell you that. Yeah. Not cool. Especially when you're trying to eat something chewy and you can't. It feels like the back is flip-flopping. Yeah, you don't want that. It doesn't do it with any other food but my protein bars, which is weird. But yeah, definitely not comfortable. Definitely don't want that happening. So Monday I'm going to nip it in the bud and see exactly what is going on with that. I just left the gym. Oh my God. I am pouring sweat. Probably can't see, but my bottom of my hair is soaking wet. That Stairmaster machine. Whew. That thing is killer. So if you want to sweat, go on that thing. I promise you, you will sweat your days of calories out. But yeah, I'm liking this dark hair. It feels healthy. Feels nice. Plus, I was really getting tired of being a blonde. It's not really me anymore. But just wanted to give you guys an update and let you know what is going on. Apparently, once you sign off on being a denture or implant wearer, you just have to write off that you're going to be at the dentist quite often for the rest of your life, because there'll be minor problems pop up here and there. This apparently is a minor problem, but I just wanted to let you guys know, and I hope you guys are doing well, and I hope if you're going through your e-day, you know that you got this. I'm a year out, so I think that I have a little bit of experience with that. But like I said, if you guys ever have any questions, I'm always here to answer them. Sometimes it takes me a little longer to get back to you guys. I have 4 kids, but I'm always here to kind of lead you to your way. Oh God, I feel like I'm gonna die. Word to the wise: don't eat White Castles before you go to the gym. Yeah, don't do it. Do